There's a golfer stuck out on the golf course. He's scared to even move because the lightning was so scary. I don't know how long he's going to sit there. We just got a lightning bolt like 5 minutes ago that shook the house so bad that stuff was falling off the shelves. The guy's probably petrified. That's as far as I can zoom in on him. He's not scared, he just grabbed one of his golf clubs. Unbelievable. That guy has no fear. Oh, he didn't like that ball, so he threw another one down and he's going to hit that one now. Maybe not. Well, the game must go on. Oops. That's a Florida golfer there. And now his buddy's going to hit his ball. The guy in the passenger seat. I'm trying to keep this steady, but I got it zoomed in all the way. There goes his buddy. The mosquitoes want to come in here and get me. These guys are something else. It's pouring down rain and he's out there playing golf. And there they go. Can't see him anymore. Yeah, those golf balls right there. The lightning struck and it shook this back wall so bad it knocked the golf balls off. That's not the first time that's happened. That's why I knew exactly what that noise was. Oh, it must be time to eat again. All right, everybody.